Hi Ron, let's see what we are going to create today. It's going to be great. It's the last PowerPoint of the phase 1 of our channel, and after that we are going to do greater. Okay, let's start. It's some kind of great. You can choose your own title and everything else, but I create them. This is used by writing impact and these two options, making italic and the shadows. Okay. Now, after having that, you need to have this text. This is just a simple text. I have it. Nothing special about that. So how to create these shapes? There is two ways for creating them. The first way that we are going to use is using this shape here. But if you want, you can tell me in the comment what was the second way to create that. There are two ways. One way is using the shape. Let me find it again. And there is another way, and both of them are smooth and work well. This is the first way. Hold shift, create your shape, put it here, and then by holding control, create one of them, then flip it and create some of them you want. Now I create them in the past. Because of that, I'm not going to overdo the work. I'm just going to copy them. And after copying them, paste them here. Okay, now for the color, don't forget your theme must going to be the same and have some interaction with each other. For example, if you are going to use this blue, light blue, your background gonna be dark or other. You need to change the colors in the way to look best with each other. For example, this dark blue or this one. But now we are going to use these things darker and the background be the white. Let's use this. Okay, this is good one. And for the text, is up to you which color you use. But it's also better to have some relation with the other things in your slide. For example, like this. Okay, now we copy that. And here we bring these things to out like this and reduce its size. And then by holding control, hold these three and bring them up and push the text here. And you can also make a text barrier for better looking and other things. And just set the transition to morph. Now let's take a look at our slide. It's look as beautiful as possible. I hope you like it. If you like it, tell me in the comments. Have a nice time.